Yo, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can connect an IP to your host name. It's pretty simple. Just going along in my series on how to get a free domain. If you haven't watched that, then yeah, you can do that. Once you do this, you'll be able to log into your server and from an actual host name, like uh be able to log in from that instead of having to type in numbers. The third thing we're going to want to do is get a VPS. I'm just going to be using this free one that I got from Chrome, whatever you want to call it. You create a container here. I'm just going to call this one Twitter, and then you just want to CD, put it closest to where you are if you want fastest speeds. Set it on private so other people can't see it. That's if you're using this. If you're using a different VPS provider, then yeah, you should already know how to set it up. Make sure you have Python selected, Python project. Make sure it's on a Python empty project. 18, whatever it's the latest, and then you want to click create. This should take about 20 seconds, so just wait. Right, now that it's finished, you click run container. Now that you have your container loaded, every few minutes you want to type clear in there to make sure it's easier here and it doesn't just shut down, because this isn't an infinite VPS. This is cloud hosting, not technically a VPS, but they both work the same. And you'll want to come up here to container and click on SSH configuration, and then it will show you a bunch of this random stuff. So you'll see this is the port, and then that's the username, and then that's the IP. So what you want to do is you want to copy the IP right there, and go to Cloudflare with your already set up domain. I'm gonna use a paid one, but you can use any one you want. And then you click add record. Make sure the record is set to just A, and then you can change this at the name to it to like connect. So you would go to connect the usfbi.org to connect to the domain, but I'm just gonna have it set to at just points at itself. So if you go to that right there, then that's where you connect to, and then you want to point it to your IP. So you can copy that from there, paste that there. Don't need to mess with the TTL. And where it says proxy status, proxy, you want to turn that off. Yes, it does protect your website, but you won't be able to connect if it's proxied. That's just how it is. Then after that, you want to click save. Probably want to give that about a minute. Now, if you load up Putty, you can see our URL right there. We try connecting with usfbi.org, and then for the port, we get everything after the -p. Make sure it's on SSH, and then you can name it something like US FBI, and then click save. What this basically does here, it points at itself, and then it tells it to basically show show this IP address inside of the website. If you ever see like, let's say you paste a link into Discord, and then it shows like the video URL title, and in the image, the cover picture of it, it's basically just embedding, showing a website inside of another website. That's what it is. So now that you have that, you can click open, and then we'll normally say that you need to. It'll come up with a warning or something. You need to just click yes there because you've never logged in. I have logged into this on my IP, so it is going to let me through with. So you want to log in with your username, which as you can see, it's root. And then it will ask you for a password. You just want to click generate. I've already got one, so I just click regenerate. Then you want to copy that. And then in this box right here, you want to right click, and then that will paste it in there. You won't be able to see it. That's for security purposes, but that's whatever. And then you want to click enter. And now you can see you've logged into a VPS from your domain name. If you guys want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.